Want to lose 10 pounds in 2 weeks? Follow these steps. First, change your diet by eliminating processed foods and sugars, and opt for fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Don't forget to drink plenty of water. Second, exercise regularly, at least 30 minutes a day. Start slowly and increase the intensity over time. Third, make sure you get enough sleep, at least 7 to 8 hours a night. Remember that healthy weight loss takes time, so be patient and consistent. Consult a health professional before starting any plan. You can do it.